G'day guys and girls, yeah, we're back again on the XM Falcon. Yep, this time we're carrying on with the rust around the boot and inner floor area. I'm a little bit cramped. I love winter, but when it's wet I can't move all these cars out because I don't want them to get wet. So I'm going to have to move fast and get this done so that I can get some space back. So I've already done some work this week, not a lot, it's only Tuesday, but yeah, it's just a little bit of body filler where the weld lines were, just so that they're invisible. I'll buzz those off and then I'll squirt some more blue paint over that area. I don't want it to look too flash because the rest, like I don't want it too glossy. I'm not going to gloss it up too much because the rest of the boot floor isn't that glossy. So I'll do my best at trying to match it in when I do it. But I've put a nutsert in the new metal where I made the new panel. Unfortunately, this hole here doesn't match up. The actual hole is supposed to be about here. So rather than drill into the tank and risk it leaking, I'm going to drill another hole and put another nutsert here. So the tank does have to come out now to finish off the filler work, but after that we're going to get back under the car and carry on with the rest of the rust work under there. Yeah, I want to get that all done so I can get the car out again. So I'm going to go my hardest this week to get it all done and finalised by the end of the week. That way I can, yeah, as I said, get more space back. That's the whole goal. Yeah, we've got other jobs to do on the car yet too, like resealing the front windscreen, and I've got to replace a manifold gasket on the motor too, so that's going to be something a little bit different. All right, I'm going to get into it. Rightio, here we are at the back end of the car. We've started the rust work on this lower bit, and we started in this corner. We dug in a little bit. Yep, she looks a bit like a jack-o'-lantern. She's got nice rusty holes. That was all full of body filler. No attempt to cut the rust out at all, just slap her full of body filler. It actually surprised me a bit because it didn't look that bad from the inside, but they did a good job of smoothing it over. So I knew there was going to be some, but that's impressive. So now we've got to replace that with tin. It's going to be a fiddly one to fix. It's in a prick of a spot. Probably going to have to cut this section here out so it gives me some more room because it's rusty up underneath as well. So the joy of it all. This car, it actually only came in originally just to get the engine bay painted, and I've ended up replaced most of the floor pans, wiper plenum, a whole heap of other rust which I can't even remember right now, and it's just blowing out every time I dig in, so fun. Anyway, about an hour left of the day. I'm going to start making some metal. So how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So that's that little panel made up. Now I've got to move on to the next one. We'll just clear coat it on for you. Hang on. All right, that's clear coat in. So now I've got to make this section down here, and then this section here, it is another separate section again. So yeah, trying to make it how the Ford factory did it. So Yeah, it's quite complicated. Rightio. We got another little bit made. Just this little bit in here. Oh. I made it in two separate pieces just to make it a little bit easier to shape. But yeah, so now we're going to make this little panel here before we can weld on the other panel which we've already made, which goes where my thumb's pointing. But we need to make this little panel first. All right, we're getting closer. So as you know, I've fixed the outside, but I've also got this part here and this part here done. So now we've got to fix this part here. Otherwise there's going to be a big hole up underneath. Just 1 second. All right, so we've got this part here, which goes over the top of those bits there, and that bit there's all covered up, so that's good. I do have to clean the inside of this off. But yeah, once I fix this part here, that should fix this issue right here. You know what I mean? Okay. Anyway, I'm going to get into it. So I'm going to make this part here now, get it welded into place, and then we'll start welding this bit in. Got about an hour left of the day, so we'll get done what we can get done. Tomorrow's Friday. We should finish it off tomorrow, this corner. This is the hardest part at the back end. There's a lot of fabrication in that. This is a cat. Right, it's Friday just before lunch, so we've got a bit done on the XM. She's still got a big hole in it. Oh, there's a bigger hole than before, but at least there's no visible rust anymore. So I should get this done before the end of the day. So this is the panel I made, was it yesterday? So that's ready to go in. Hang on a minute. I might just put you down. Oh my gosh, I'm so prepared, I'm so professional. All right, it's here somewhere. Probably fell down the pit. Oh, yeah, it fell down the pit. One moment. Is that it? Is that it down there? I think it is. Hey. Right. So anyhow, I got it now. What's going on here? Breakfast. All right. So anyway, this panel here will go right there, like that. See what I mean? Yeah? See that? Okay, we got to weld that in soon. And this panel here will go there, like that. And we'll weld it all together. Yeah, something like that. And then it'll be done. That'll be this corner done. I've got to clean this panel here up first, on the inside and the outside. So I'll probably do that before I do anything. Just so it's all ready to go, because I'll probably tack it all together and then just weld it all at once. Sounds like a plan. All right, I'm gonna get into it. So this panel that goes here, I was gonna weld the original tin back in, but after cleaning it up, she's in a state of disrepair. So by the time I fix that little bit, clean off all of this, I think I could just bend up a new piece. So that's what I'm going to do. But first I'm going to tack weld in the corner piece here, and then I'll come back and do this last. So All right, well, I'll get into doing that. All right, we got it licked. So it's all welded in, new metal, no more Swiss cheese, and all the rust up under here is all complete, except for we've got to do this side next. That side is not going to be anywhere near as hard as this side, I hope, but it shouldn't be. And then I've got the, wheel tubs have got some rust in them. And then I can start coating it up and putting the fuel tank back in. So getting there. That was a much bigger job than I expected it to be. So it's done now, so I'm happy. So anyway, on that note, it's Friday and I've had enough. I'm going to knock off for the day. So yeah, you know the drill, like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. If you want to see future projects, then that's awesome. That'd help me out heaps. And I'll catch you when I'm looking at you.